Hey, Paulk here. This is the Mavic 2 Pro. If you are in the drone world at all, you know all about this drone. Two versions, they've got the Zoom and the Pro, because I use mine commercially in my architectural photography. The Hasselblad camera with the 1-inch sensor was a must. Well, I'm not going to go through all of the features because, again, there are so many videos out there.
Both of these drones had the same new ESCs.
What we're going to do is take off the battery and we're going to charge it.
So it's got so much precision.
I'ma keep on dancing.
There it is.
Mavic Pro 2.1, Mavic Pro 2.2.
Camera like on the DJI Mavic Pro 2.
You guys today. This is the brand new DJI Mavic 2 Pro.
That cover it in detail. It is just a phenomenal drone. There is one feature that I want to show you this drone has, and I assume the Zoom has as well, that I have heard no one talk about. Now, I found it in an article online. This moment, I have not seen it on another YouTube channel. It doesn't mean it doesn't exist. There's a lot of YouTubers out there, and I can't obviously follow them all. But as of this moment, I have not seen this anywhere other than in that one article. If I want to look to the right or the left, then I would yaw the drone. I would fly it that way and point that way. That's how you'd point the camera. What is new to this one, and if it existed on the previous Mavic Pro, I never saw it. I still have it. Maybe I'll try it out one of these days. You simply put your finger on the screen and hold down. So you have to put some pressure, and it brings up a control, a little circle. And then you can move the camera right and left. Up and down as well, but you can do that with the controller. So again, just by sliding right and left without yawing. I'm guessing from side to side it might be almost 180 degrees, maybe 160. There may be speed differences, I'm not sure. I know if I slide it not as far, it goes slower and all the way over. So it seems to give you some pretty good control. What I haven't figured out yet is if I want to go back to center it, I don't know if a double tap would do it. Anyway, I haven't figured out a way to do that other than to take the control on the bottom, the C1, click it once, that points down, click it up, and it takes it back. If you know anybody out there with a Mavic 2 Pro, share this video with them because, again, it's a feature that I'm not seeing talked about anywhere. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.